What do I think of when I hear live aqua? Casual luxury. But what does that mean? Let me explain. Well, I'm a pretty casual person, but I still like to enjoy first-class amenities and service. So when you check into Live Aqua, you get a complimentary hand massage. Check it out. Being on vacation doesn't mean you have to be unhealthy when you've got Marco around. All right, I'm not much of a coffee drinker, but when you see a presentation like that, you gotta give it a try. So this is my Mayan coffee. No idea what's in it except for some alcohol, chocolate. Cheers. Just got back to my room and look what I found. A monkey! Live Aqua allows you to be who you want to be on your vacation, which is great because when you stay at an adults-only resort, you should be treated like one. This includes when I go to dinner. Out of all their amazing restaurants, only one has a dress code. And I can dress myself, thank you very much. Let's go eat. You know you're in a good spot when even the butter is fancy and comes in balls. So I almost forgot to order this. This unassuming ball is apparently one of their most popular dishes, and it's a habanero cream soup. And apparently it comes in a nice little bread bowl. Parmesan crust on the outside gives it a nice texture. Oh, so good. So good. Eat me. Bundle all that together into one nice and cozy package. So check it out. Everything you need is right here. And put it across the street from some of the best shopping and restaurants in Cancun. I think you've got yourself a winner. Another thing I love about this place is that it reminded me when life gives you seagrass to make beautiful beach art. And to stay at Live Aqua.